Hello and welcome students to my second video lecture of chapter 4, Reconstruction of Partnership. As you all know that I had explained the basic concept of reconstruction of partnership and sacrifice ratio in my first video. In this video I am going to explain you the sacrifice ratio with illustrations and exercise sums. Now moving on to illustration 1. Ram, Shyam and Ghanshyam are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss equally. Equally means 1:1:1 ratio. They decided to share profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1 in future. It means they are changing the profit and loss sharing ratio to 3:2:1. Calculate which partner has sacrificed and how much. Solution of it: you all are well aware of the formula to find sacrifice ratio, that is old share minus new share. By utilizing this formula, if the answer comes negative, it is increase in profit, and if the answer comes positive, it is decrease in profit, means sacrifice. Over here in this illustration, our sacrifice, I'm writing in short, I'm not writing the full form, that is Ram. R's sacrifice is equal to old share. What is the old share of Ram? That is 1:1:1. It means 1/3 minus new share of Ram, that is 3/6, as it is 3:2:1. So 1/3 minus 3/6. By taking LCM 6, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1/6. Answer comes in negative. It means increase in profit, or that is called gain by partner Ram. Now, second partner, that is S sacrifice, is equal to old share, that is again 1/3 minus new share, that is 2/6, is equal to 2 minus 2 upon 6 is equal to 0/6. 0/6, it means neither sacrifice nor gain. No gain, no sacrifice. The third partner, that is Ghanshyam's sacrifice, G's sacrifice, is equal to, again the old share would be same, that is 1/3 minus new share 1/6. By taking same LCM 6, 2 minus 1 upon 6 is equal to positive 1/6. It means sacrifice. When the answer comes negative, it is increase in profit, means gain, and when the answer comes positive, by utilizing the above formula, it is called decrease in profit, means sacrifice by that particular partner. The very important point over here that I have written as note over here, you can see it: total of sacrifice share and total of gain share is always equal. It means over here you can see gain, that is 1/6, and sacrifice, that is also 1/6. In any sum, how much one partner is sacrificing, the same amount will be gained by another partner. So the sacrifice share and the total of gain share is always equal. This is a very important point to be remembered. Now the next illustration, illustration number 2. Bhavesh, Vipul and Hiral are partners in a firm, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:2:1. They decided to share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 in future. The old ratio, that is 2:2:1, and the new ratio, that is 3:2:1. From this information, calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrifice ratio formula you are knowing very well, that is old share minus new share. Now B's sacrifice, that is Bhavesh sacrifice, is equal to old share of Bhavesh, that is 2/5, minus new share of Bhavesh, that is 3/6, is equal to LCM, that would come 30. So 5 6 are 30, so that would come to 6 into 2, 12. 12 minus 15 upon 30 is equal to minus 3/30. Minus 3/30 you can cut and get the final answer, that is minus 1/10. If you keep the answer minus 3/30, then also it's okay, fine. By getting the answer negative by this formula, we already discussed, it would come gain, that is increase in profit by partner B. Now V's sacrifice, that is Vipul's sacrifice, is equal to old share, that is 2/5, minus new share, that is 2/6, is equal to 12/10 upon 30, is equal to 12 minus 10 means 2/30. Answer comes positive. It means decrease in profit. It means sacrifice done by partner V. The third partner, that is Hiral's sacrifice is equal to new old share, that is 1 by 5, and new share, that is 1 by 6. So 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6, LCM again same would come, that is 30. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 30. Answer comes positive. So again it is decrease in profit means sacrifice. Students, you can see over here that in the first sum, one partner was sacrificing and one partner was gaining. In this illustration, one partner is gaining and two partners are sacrificing. It means this illustration is based on when more than one partner are sacrificing. As in the previous illustration, I had already explained that total of sacrifice share and total of gain share is always equal. In this sum also you can see that is gain, that is minus 3 by 30, and sacrifice, that is 2 by 30 and 1 by 30. If we do the addition of 2 by 30 and 1 by 30, that is the sacrifice of partner V and partner H, the total comes to 3 by 30. It means positive 3 by 30 and gain, that is negative 3 by 30. So it is clear in this sum also that sacrifice share and gain share will always be equal. Based on the illustration, now I am moving on to exercise sums of your textbook. If you are having your textbook, you can open it and refer the question, and if you are not having, I have already written the questions over here, so no any issues for you all. It is, if you are having textbook, that is on page number 139 of your textbook, that is question number 4. Amar and Akbar are partners of a firm distributing profit and loss in the ratio of 1:1. They decided to change their profit and loss sharing ratio to 3:2 for future. It means old ratio, that is 1:1, and new ratio of Amar and Akbar, that is 3:2. Calculate what sacrifice has been made by which partner. Again same formula, sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Amar's sacrifice, partner Amar sacrifice, is equal to old share, that is 1 by 2, minus new share, that is 3:2, so 3 by 5, is equal to LCM 10. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 10. It means if the answer comes negative, it is increase in profit. It means gain by partner Amar. Now for the next partner, that is Akbar's sacrifice, is equal to old share, that is 1 by 2, again same because equal ratio for both of them, and new share, that is 2 by 5. LCM would remain the same, that is 10. 5 minus 4 upon 10 is equal to 1 by 10, positive 1 by 10. If the answer comes positive, it means decrease in profit, means sacrifice by partner Akbar. Again, I am referring to that note, revising that note. We have already discussed that if the total of gain and total of sacrifice will always be same or will always be equal. Here also you can see one partner is gaining and the same amount of sacrifice is done by the another partner. I hope it is clear to you. Now moving on to question number 5 of your textbook, that is Komal, Krupa and Karishma are partners of a firm. They distribute profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now here instead of two partners, there are three partners, that is Komal, Krupa and Karishma. They decided to change the profit and loss ratio to 5:3:2 for future. It means old ratio, that is 3:2:1, and new ratio, that is 5:3:2. Calculate sacrifice ratio. I have not written the formula again because now it is very much clear to you, that is sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Komal's sacrifice is equal to her old share, that is 3 by 6 minus new share, that is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 5 plus 3 plus 2, it means 10. So 5 by 10 is equal to LCM, that would come 30. So 15 minus 15 upon 30, it means 0. 0 means no gain, no sacrifice. If you can remember second illustration in which there was a partner who was getting 0, it means no gain, no sacrifice. Now the second partner, that is Krupa's sacrifice, is equal to 2 by 6 minus 3 by 10. 2 by 6, that is the old share, and 3 by 10, that is the new share. LCM again same, that would come 30. So 10 minus 9 upon 30 is equal to positive 1 by 30. Positive 1 by 30, it means Answer is sacrifice. It means in decrease in profit by partner Krupa. Now moving on, the third partner, that is Karishma's sacrifice, is equal to old share, that is 1 by 6, minus new share, that is 2 by 10. LCM same 30. So 5 minus 6 upon 30. 5 minus 6. So answer would come negative 1 by 30. Negative answer if it is coming, then it is called increase in profit, that means gain by partner Karishma and sacrifice by partner Krupa. Again we can see over here that one partner is sacrificing and the other partner is gaining the same amount of gain and the same amount of sacrifice. It means total of sacrifice and total of gain will always be equal. I hope students you all have understood up till here, and next video will move on to the next topic, that is the gaining ratio. Till then, goodbye.